There is no better way to have popcorn than some caramel popcorn. Please leave a like, and if it's your first time here, please consider subscribing. Now let's get started. Over medium heat in a large bowl, add your oil and just rotate it a bit till the oil is evenly dispersed on the bottom of your pot, and then cover with a lid. If you think your oil is hot enough, you can add one kernel and see if the oil around it starts to fizzle. If it does, you can add the rest of your seeds. Occasionally shake your pot and make sure the seeds are not sticking to the bottom and burning. Once all your popcorn is done, transfer it to another bowl to cool down. Lay a baking tin with some parchment paper, or you can use foil and spray it with some canola oil. In a medium pot, add your butter and let it melt. Do not use a small pot like I did, because it will bubble over later on and it will get very messy and very sticky. So make sure you use a medium-sized pot. Then add your sugar, your water, and your salt. Then just give it a quick whisk through, make sure everything is mixed, but do not mix it while it is cooking, otherwise you will mess it up. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes, and by then it should start boiling up and it will keep on going up and down. As soon as the sides are golden brown, take it off the fire immediately, not like this where the middle is, otherwise it's burnt. Then add your baking soda and start whisking right away. It's going to foam up, it's going to get really big. Make sure you're using a medium-sized pot. Then afterwards, add your vanilla extract in. It will go up, it will rise up high, so make sure you are using that medium-sized pot. Then add your caramel mixture to your popcorn and mix it together as fast as possible so it does not solidify into one big piece and you get the caramel evenly over every single piece. Then transfer it to the baking sheet you prepared beforehand and just flatten it all out and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes until it hardens. Once it is fully hardened, you can then just go and just break off the pieces into the size you want. And there you have some caramel popcorn. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.